In today's fast-pacing world, the humble pen, whether classic or digital, remains a powerful tool in learning English, writing, and note-taking. The act of writing by hand has stood the test of time, serving as a bridge between our thoughts and the tangible world. Ernest Hemingway once said, "There's nothing to writing. All you do is sit down at a typewriter and bleed." This quote encapsulates the deep connection between the writer and their words, a connection that begins with the pen. Taking notes by hand has been proven to enhance memory retention and understanding. When learning English, this becomes crucial. The physical act of writing helps us internalize new vocabulary and complex grammar rules. As Mark Twain aptly put it, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Using a pen to jot down notes, ideas, and practice exercises is a powerful way to get started and keep moving forward in your language learning journey. The digital writing pen offers new dimensions of flexibility and connectivity. With a digital pen, we can write, draw, edit, and organize our thoughts seamlessly. This modern tool embodies J.K. Rowling's words, "The pen is mightier than the sword." The digital pen enhances our ability to create, learn, and share our ideas with ease. Writing by hand, whether a classic or digital pen, also improves writing skills. Regular practice helps us develop clarity, style, and confidence. As Pablo Picasso famously said, "Inspiration exists, but it has to find you working." The pen is our companion in this creative process, always ready to capture our thoughts and inspirations. Finally, Neil Gaiman's words remind us of the joy and fulfillment that come from writing. The world always seems brighter when you've just made something that wasn't there before. Whether it's a new story or a set of detailed notes, the pen enables us to bring our ideas to life and share them with the world. The pen, whether classic or digital, is an indispensable tool in learning English and enhancing our writing skills. It connects us to our thoughts, aids in memory retention, and fuels our creativity. So pick up your pen and start taking notes. The world is waiting to see what you write. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.